this square is made up of 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. We have a square here which is made up of 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. The sides of the square are each x plus y. This side is equal to x plus y. This is square, so we have the 4 sides are equal. This side x plus y, this side is equal to x plus y, this is equal x plus y, and this is equal x plus y. The area of the square is side multiplied by the side. So the area is x plus y times x plus y. If we multiply x times x, we say it is x to power 2 because this x is raised to power 1 and this is raised to power 1. And we adding the power. 1 plus 1 is 2. Here we have x plus y between two brackets, and here x plus y, the same. This raised to power 1 and this is raised to power 1. So we can write only one of them and the power will be 1 plus 1 is 2. So x plus y times x plus y is equal to x plus y to power 2, area in square units. He asked us to complete area of A plus area of D. Area of A is x multiplied by x, which is x squared, times area D. Where is D? This is the region D. This is y, and this is y. So the area will be y times y, which is y squared, y to power 2. Area of B. This is B. The area will be x times y, x times y, or xy. Area of C. Also, this length is x multiplied by the width y. It will be also xy. Area of the square is x squared y squared plus xy plus xy. It will be x squared y, because the area of the summation of the area of the 4 regions. This is the area of the 4 regions, A, B, C, and D. The area of the square is x squared plus y squared plus xy plus xy. We can write here 2 because xy plus xy is equal to 2xy. This is the area of the square. If we have something like that, x plus y to power 2 is equal from here, this x squared plus y squared plus 2xy. We can arrange it as x squared plus 2xy, 2xy plus y squared. So if you have x plus y to power 2, its value will be multiply x times x to give x squared plus x multiply y is xy times 2 plus 2xy, and multiply y times y to give y squared. Again, if we have x plus y all to power 2, how can we solve it? Multiply x times x, give x squared, plus multiply y times y, gives y squared, plus multiply x times y to give xy, and multiply by 2, it is 2xy. So x plus y to power 2 is x to power 2 plus y to power 2 plus 2xy. You must know this form. This figure is made up of 4 parts, A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, and D. Area of the square made up of A, B, and C. A plus B plus C is the square. The area of the square is equal x times x, it will be x times x is x square units. Therefore, the total area of the figure is the area of the square, which is x square plus y square, or at the same time is x square plus this area. This area is y times y is y square. This is the total area of this figure. Complete. Area of A is x minus y times x minus y. It will be x minus y, this to power 1 and this power 1. We have to add the power. 1 plus 1 is 2. So area of A is x minus y to power 2. Area of B plus area of C. Area of B is x multiply y, xy, plus area of C, y multiplied by x minus y multiplied by x minus y. Area of B plus area of C plus area of D is area of B, xy. Area of C is y multiply x minus y plus area of D is y times y is y square. Here we have x minus y to power 2 is equal to x minus y to power 2 is the area of the square, the area of part A. The area of part A is the area of the square minus this area minus this area. It is equal. The area of square is x multiplied by x is x squared minus this area of B, which is x multiply y minus x multiply y minus this area, which is y multiply x minus y, minus y multiply x minus y. This equal x square minus xy multiply y times x is minus xy, and minus y times minus y is plus y square. So x minus y to power 2 is x square plus y square minus 2xy. You remember x plus y to power 2 is equal to x square plus y square plus xy times 2, 2xy. And x minus y to power 2 is equal to x square plus y square, x square plus y square minus 2xy, minus 2xy. So if you have plus, 2xy will be plus. If you have minus, 2xy will be minus. Okay, here, x squared plus y squared. X squared plus y squared. Take minus 2xy and move it to the other side. So it will be x minus y to power 2 plus 2xy, 2xy. In the opposite figure here, a small square B of area y square. We have here a small square, each side is y, so its area is y times y, which is y square. Square unit is removed. We remove this square, small square, from a bigger square A. This is bigger square A of area x square, square units. The bigger square, its area is x times x, which is x square. We remove y squared from x square, which means x squared minus y squared. This is a square. Each side length is x. It has, of course, 4 sides. Each side length is x unit. The area of this square is x to power 2. It is x times x, so it is x squared, or x to power 2. There is a small square which has y length of each side. The area of this square is y times y is y squared. We cut this small square from the big one. The area of the remainder, which is the blue region, is the total area, which is x squared minus the area of the small square, which is y squared. So this area, the blue area, is x squared minus y squared. Of course, this length is y and this is x, so this length is x minus y. Also, this is x and this is y, so this length is x minus y. We take off this area from the region, and if we arrange this and make a rotation of this part, we put this rectangle onto the other rectangle, we will get this big rectangle, which has length is x plus y, and of course width is x minus y. We cut and rearrange this region to get this rectangle. The area of this rectangle is the length x plus y times the width x minus y. It will be x plus y times the width x minus y. This is the area according to multiplication of its length times its width. But we calculate it first as x squared minus y squared. So this area is equal to x squared minus y squared. In this case, we have learned that x plus y times x minus y is equal to x squared minus y squared. The area of the remainder, if we remove the green from the total square, the remainder area will be the blue one, this area. This area is equal to the total area, which is x squared minus the small area, the green area, which is y squared. Suppose the remaining area, this remaining area, is cut into two portions. We cut this area into two portions. We have one portion here, and this is the second portion. Then it is rearranged to form a rectangle as shown here. What is this length? This length is this length, which is x minus this length y. So this is x minus y. Imagine that we rotate this shape to become something like that. This x minus y, and this height is y. And this is x. And x minus y, this is x, and this is x minus y. This rectangle is that one. And we rotate this one as here and put it on top of the other rectangle. So we will get the big one. The area of rectangle x plus y times x minus y. X plus y times x minus y. This area is the area of this two portion, or the remainder, the blue area. What is the blue area? Is x squared minus y squared. So the area of the rectangle will be x to power 2 minus y to power 2. So we have learned something, which is x plus y multiplied by x minus y is equal to x squared minus y squared, y. Because multiply x times x gives x squared. Multiply x times minus y gives minus xy. And multiply plus y times x. It gives yx plus yx. Or we can write it plus xy. Multiply plus y times minus y. It gives minus y squared. Plus minus xy can be eliminated with plus xy. This will equal x squared minus y squared, which is this one, x squared minus y squared. We have learned something new. What is the value of x squared minus y squared? Of course, it will be x plus y times x minus y. If we did it as here, we will get x squared minus y squared. x plus y times x minus y is equal to x squared minus y squared, or x squared minus y squared is equal to x plus y times y minus y. The following figure shows the product of two binomials 3x plus 2. Of course, this is binomial. Why? Because it composed of two terms in one variable x. This is the product of two binomials 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, which is this length, and 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 gives this total length. Can be thought as the area of a rectangle as shown in the following diagram. Of course, if we multiply this length times this length, we will get the area of this rectangle. The multiplication of 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 5, this is the multiplication of two binomials. And at the same time, this multiplication is the area of the rectangle, is equal to. What is the area of this rectangle composed of 1, 2, 3, 4 regions? The area of region 1 is the area of this rectangle, which is 3x multiplied by 2x, gives 3 times 2 is 6, x times x is x squared. And the area of region 2 is 3x times 5. 3x times 5 gives 15x. Region 3 is 2 times 2x, which gives 4x. The area of region 4 is 2 multiplied by this length. This length is 5. 2 multiplied 5 is equal to 10. Here, 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 2 is equal to 3x times 2x. 3x times 2x. We write it here, which gives 6x squared plus 3x times or multiplied by 5, which gives 15x. And we multiply 2 by 2x to give 4x. Also, multiply 2 again times 5 plus times plus give plus 2 times 5 gives 10. So this will be 6x squared plus 15x plus 4x. 15 plus 4 is 19, so this will be 19x plus 10. We learned something here, which is if we have a plus b multiplied by c times d, how can we multiply this? First, we multiply a times c plus a times d. A times c plus a times d, plus multiply b times c plus b times d. b times c plus b times. This is the multiplication of these two binomials. It is very easy. Now you can multiply two binomials together in one step. So if you have two binomials like 3x plus 1 times 2x plus 3. To remember how you can multiply it, 3x will be multiplied by 2x and multiplied by 3. 1 will be multiplied by 2x and multiplied by 3. But to remember, draw a rectangle and divide this rectangle into 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 3x plus 1. And this length will be 2x plus 3. So this multiplication will be the sum of these areas of area of region 1 plus area of region 2 plus area of region 3 plus area of region 4. If we calculate the area of region 1, it will be 3x multiplied by 2x. which is 3x times 3x times 2x. The area here is 3x times 3. 3x times 3, which is 3x times 3. 3x times 3 plus this will be 1 times 2x, which is 1 times 2x. 1 times 2x plus 1 times 3. 1 times 3 plus 1 times 3. So, drawing a rectangle and divide it into 4 regions, you will remember how to multiply two binomials. It is very easy. We'll see the horizontal method. We have two binomials, 3x plus 2 times 2x plus 5. I told you that if you want to remember how to multiply these two, please draw rectangle, divide this rectangle into 4 regions. This length will be 3x plus 2, 3x plus 2, and this length will be 2x plus this one is 5. So calculate the area of each region. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the summation of the area of these 4 regions is the multiplication of these two binomials. Or take 3x multiply by this binomial plus 2 times the binomial. Here we have 3x multiplied by 2x is 6x squared. 3x times plus 5 is plus 15x. Plus 2 times 2x is equal to 4x. Plus 2 times plus 5 is plus 10. So we have 6x squared, and here we have 15x plus 4x is equal to 19x plus 10. This is a way or a method. This is the horizontal method. We have the vertical method, which we write the first binomial, and underneath in the second line we write the other binomial, and we have to multiply. Take 2x multiplied by 3x plus 2. So 2 times 3 is 6, x times x is x squared, plus 2 times 2 is 4x. Here we multiply plus 5 times 3x plus 2, which give 5 times 3x is 15x. We have to write it under x. So here we have 15x plus 5 times plus 2 is equal to plus 10. Make addition, this line plus this one will give 6x squared plus 4x plus 15x is 19x plus 10. Of course, you will get the same result. So this is the horizontal method and this is the vertical method. We have a third method which called inspection method. What is inspection method? Inspection method is this 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements. Please multiply element 1 times element 1 here. 3x times multiply by 2x is 6x squared. And 2 times 5 is 10. And take this 2. 2 times 2x is 4x plus this 2, which is 3x times 5 is equal to 15x. This equal 6x squared. 4x plus 15x is 19x plus 10. Of course, which is the same result. Again, the inspection method. If we have a plus b multiplied by a binomial which is c plus d, how can you apply the inspection method? Multiply a times c. A times c. And here multiply b times d. B times d. Then multiply a times d plus a times d plus these two, the neighbors, plus B times C. Okay, this is the inspection method. In this figure, what is the area of the shaded part of the rectangle? We have a rectangle here and we have a small rectangle inside. The shaded area is the area of the rectangle minus the area of the small rectangle. In order to calculate the area of the big or large rectangle, we have to calculate the length. Length is 3x plus 2 plus 2x plus y. 3x plus 2x plus y. We collect the like variables. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus y. This is the length of the rectangle. You can write unit length. Unit length D, it can be centimeter, decimeter, meter, and so on. And also the width is 3x plus y, which gives the total width of the large rectangle. The width is 3x plus y. The area of the shaded part is the area of the big rectangle, which is length multiplied by width minus the area of the small rectangle. Area of the small rectangle is y times 2x plus y. Y times 2x plus y. Multiply 5x times 3x gives 5x squared. 5x times y gives 5xy. Y times 3x gives 3yx, or it can be written as 3xy plus 3xy plus y times plus y is equal plus y squared. Minus y times 2x is minus 2xy. Minus y times plus y is minus y squared, because minus times plus is minus, y times y is y squared. This is equal 15x squared plus, between two brackets, we have here 5xy and here plus 3xy. Here is minus 2xy plus, we have y squared and minus y squared. So y squared minus y squared equals 15x squared. 5 plus 3 is 8 minus 2 is 6. 6xy, and here you have y squared minus y squared is 0. Why? Because if you take y squared outside the two brackets, what is the inside brackets? 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 times y squared is 0. We don't write 0. Use the previous method to find x plus y times 2x plus y plus 1. We have seen we have three methods, which are horizontal method, vertical method, and inspection method. We start with the horizontal method. We write the two expressions. X times 2x is 2x squared, plus x times plus y is plus xy, plus x times 1 is plus x, y times 2x plus times x is plus, so it is 2xy, y times y plus times plus is plus, y times y is y squared, we write it here first, and y times plus 1 is plus y. We have to collect the like terms together between two brackets. So we have 2x squared plus xy, and we have plus 2xy. We collected together between two brackets. Here is plus x plus y plus y squared. This will equal 2x squared plus 1 plus 2 is 3, 3xy plus x plus y plus y squared. For the vertical method, we put the two expression underneath is equal. X times 2x is 2x squared. X times plus y is xy. X times plus 1 is plus x. we multiply y times the whole expression. Y times 2x is equal to xy. We always put like term together. So xy, we write it under xy. Y times 2x is plus 2xy. Y times y is y squared, but we don't write it under x. We write it here alone plus y squared plus y times plus 1 is plus y. There is no y here, so we have to write it alone. This will equal 2x squared and xy plus 2xy is 3xy plus x plus y squared plus y. This is the answer using the vertical method. Compare between both, we have of course the same result. But what about the inspection method? Inspection method can be applied only if we multiply two binomials, which means, for example, a plus b times c plus d. Multiply the following. Number 8, 2x plus 3y to power 2. It is 2x plus 3y times 2x plus 3y. But we can solve it as multiply 2x by its value. 2x multiplied to x is 4x squared. 2x multiplied by 3y is 6xy multiplied by 2. And 3y multiplied 3y is 9y squared. This will equal 4x squared plus 2 times 6 is 12xy plus 9y squared. This is the solution of A. B, we have 5a minus b times 5a plus b. In this case, we multiply 5a times 5a is equal to 25a squared. We know a to power 1 times a to power 1 is equal to a to power 1 plus 1, which is a to power 2. So 5a times 5a is 25a squared. Here, minus 5ba, or it can be written as minus 5ab, and 5a times b plus 5a times b is equal to ab. We have minus 5ab and the plus 5ab, they can be eliminated together, and it is equal to 0, but we don't write 0. Minus b times plus b, minus times plus is minus, b times b is b squared. This is the solution of b. Number C, we have m minus 7n to power 2, the same, m squared minus m times 7n is 7mn times 2, multiplied by 2, minus times minus is plus, 7n times 7n is 49n squared. This will equal m squared minus 2 multiplied 7 is 14mn plus 49n squared. Multiply, then find the numerical value at x equal 2 and y equal 1. We have two questions. The first one is multiply. The second one to find the numerical value of the expression. Number A. X plus 9 times x plus 2 is equal x times x squared, and here we have 9 times 2 is equal plus 18, and we multiply x times 2 plus 2x plus 9 times x plus 9x. This would equal x squared plus 2x plus 9x is 11x plus 18. And we have to evaluate this expression when x is equal to and y is equal 1. So this will equal, substitute x with 2. It is 2 to power 2 plus 11 times x replaced with 2 plus 18 equals 2 to power 2 is 2 times 2 is equal to 4 plus 11 times 2 is 22 plus 18. Add these three numbers give 44, and this is the value of the expression. B and C like A, so you can easily solve them. Simplify. A, we have 3 times m minus 5 times m plus 2. 3 is multiplied by these two binomials. So we have to multiply these two binomials first, and the result will be multiplied by 3. This equals 3 between two brackets. M multiply m is m squared minus 5m plus 2m is minus 3m minus 5 times plus 2 is minus 10. This equal 3 multiplied by m squared is 3m squared. 3 multiplied minus 3m is minus 9m. 3 multiplied by minus 10 is minus 30. And this is the simplification of A. B and D and C like A, and you can solve them by yourself. We will solve E together. This 5 minus 2 to power 2 minus 5x plus 2y to power 2. We have to solve this minus the result of this. Here we have 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times minus 2y is equal to minus 10xy, and minus 10xy must be multiplied by 2 to give minus 20xy, and 2y multiplied 2y is equal 4y squared minus 5x times 5x is 25x squared, and 5x times 2y, 5 times 2 is 10, of course, plus times plus is plus, x times y is xy. Also, don't forget, it must be, the second term must be multiplied by 2. So this will be 20xy, 20xy. 2y multiplied by 2y is 4y squared, equal, we write these three terms, and we have minus 1 in front of this bracket, so we have to multiply minus 1 times 25, x squared is minus 25x squared, minus 1 times plus 20xy is minus 20xy, minus 1 times plus 4y squared is minus 4y squared. You will notice that 25x squared plus with this is 25x squared minus. So both can be eliminated together. Also, we have here plus 4y squared and here minus 4y squared. Both can be eliminated together. The remainder will be minus 20xy minus 20xy. If we take, as we did before, xy outside the two brackets, we will have minus 20 minus 20. Minus 20 minus 20, these two numbers have the same sign, so we have to add them and take the minus sign. This will equal minus 40xy, and this is the solution. F is the same, multiply these two minus multiply this by itself and make collection like elements together and simplify the solution. It is very easy. Select the correct value. We have to select the correct value from here for each one, A, B, C. If 2x plus y to power 2 is equal to, solve this. 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2xy. 2x multiplied by y is 2xy multiplied by 2, don't forget, is 4xy. It is here plus kxy. So k is equal to 4. K is equal to 4. If you contain plus y multiplied plus y is plus y squared. Number B, if x minus y times 2x plus y is equal to x multiplied by 2x is 2x squared minus 2xy plus xy is minus xy minus 2xy minus 2xy plus xy is equal to minus xy. Here it is written as plus kxy. So we have k multiplied by xy is equal to minus xy. Minus xy, it means minus 1 multiplied by xy. Here we have k multiplied by xy. So k is equal to minus 1. Minus 1. See, if x minus 3 times x plus 3 is x times x is x squared minus 3x plus x times 3x is 3x with plus sign. This eliminated with this, and here we have minus 3 times plus 3 is minus 9. So x is minus 9, which is this one. Then k is equal to minus 9. Write an expression for the perimeter and area of each shaded region. We have been asked to write expression for both perimeter and area of each shaded area. For number A, this is the shaded area. The big one is a rectangle and the small one is a rectangle too. For the perimeter, we have to add these lenses. For the area, we have to calculate the area of the big rectangle minus the small rectangle. But what is this length? This length is 3x plus 5 minus x. It will be 2x plus 5 because 3x plus 5 minus x is 2x plus 5. And what is this length? This length is 5x plus 4, 5x plus 4 minus 3x minus 1. This is minus, so we have to change each sign for the second expression. We have 5x minus 3x is 2x, 4 plus 1 is 5, so this length will be 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5. Expression for the perimeter is equal to this length is 3x plus 5 plus this length is 5x plus 4 plus 2x plus 5 plus 3x minus 1 plus x plus 2x plus 5. Okay, we have to collect like elements together between two brackets to make a summation of them. So we have 3x, 5x plus 2x plus 3x plus x. We have here plus x plus 2x plus the other are the numbers which are 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4 plus 5 minus 1 plus 5. The summation will be 3 plus 5, 8 plus 2 is 10 plus 3 is 13 plus 2 is 15 plus 1, we missed 1x here. It will be 16. 16x plus the summation of this 5 plus 4 plus 5, 14 minus 1, 13 plus 5 is 18. This is the expression of the parameter. And expression for the area, we have to multiply this length which is 3x plus 5 times the width 5x plus 4. So 3x times 5x is this 3 times 5 is 15. So 15x squared. 5 times 5x is 25x. 3x times 4 is 12x. And plus 5 times plus 4 is plus 20. So this will be equal this 15 x squared plus 25x plus 12x is 37x plus 20. And this is the expression of the area. Number B, first we have to calculate the length, which is the 2x plus y plus x plus y. 2x plus x is equal to 3x plus y is plus 2y. and the width is 3x plus y plus x minus 2x. So the summation will be 3x plus x is 4x, and here we have y minus 2y. We have two numbers, minus 2 and plus 1, so we have to subtract. 2 minus 1 is 1. Take the sign of the biggest number, minus, so minus 1y. Minus 1y is minus 1. We don't write 1. This will be minus y. The expression of the parameter, this length is 3x plus 2y plus the length from here to here, which is 3x plus y, plus this length 2x plus y, plus this length is x minus 2y, this length is x plus y, this length is 4x minus y. Okay, collect the like term together. We have 3x plus 3x plus 2x plus x plus x plus 4x plus between two brackets we have 2y plus y plus y minus 2y plus y minus y. 3 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 14x, and 2 plus y plus y, 4y minus 2y is 2y, and this will be eliminated with this, so we have 2 plus 2y. This is the expression of the parameter, and the expression of the area, we have to multiply this 3x plus 2y times 4x minus y, and if you multiply this, 3x times 4x is 12x squared, 2y plus 4x is equal to 8xy with the plus sign, and 3x multiplied by minus y is minus 3x multiplied by y. So this will be 5xy plus 5xy, and plus 2y multiplied by minus y is equal to minus, because plus times minus is minus, 2y multiplied by y is 2y squared. And this is the expression of the shaded area. Multiply, then calculate the numerical value of the product by substitution when x is equal 1, y equal minus 2. So we have been asked for two requirements. The first one is the multiplication, then the second required is calculate the numerical value. We have been solving something like that before, but we will solve D together. We have x plus 4 2 times 2 times 3y plus 2. This is a multiplication. First, we have to multiply x plus 4 times itself. Then the result will be multiplied by 3y plus 2. This will equal x times x is x squared. 4 times x is 4x and must be multiplied by 2. Don't forget, give 8x plus 4 times plus 4 is plus 16. This result between two brackets and it must be multiplied by 3y plus 2. It is better to arrange it as this. 3y plus 2 between two brackets because this has two terms and this has three terms. Take this first. 3y times x squared is 3x squared y. You have to know xy is yx. Why? Because xy is x multiplied by y, and yx is y multiplied by x2. So xy is equal to yx. So here 3y multiplied by x squared is 3x squared y, plus 3y multiplied by plus 8x is 3 times 8 is 24, y times x is xy. Also 3y times 16 is 3 times 16 is 48. Y times nothing 1 is y. The second term plus 2 plus 2 times x squared is plus 2x squared plus 2 times or multiplied by plus 8 6 is plus 16x. Also plus 2 multiplied by plus 16 is 32. Okay, we don't have similar or like terms to collect it together, so we have directly to calculate the numerical value by substitution x with 1 and y with minus 2. This will be 3x will be substituted with 1 to power 2, y is minus 2 plus 24, x is 1 multiplied by 1 which is minus 2, 24, y is minus 2 plus 2x to power 2 is 2 times 1 to power 2 plus 16x. It means plus 16 times x is 1 plus 32. 1 times 1 is 1 times 3 is plus 3 times minus 2 is minus 6 plus 24 times 1 is 24 times minus 2 is minus 48. You can use the calculator. Plus 48 times minus 2 is minus 96. Plus 2 times 1 is 2. Plus 16 multiplied by 1 is 16 and plus 32. Using the calculator, the result is minus 100. You can solve the remainder A, B, and C. Simplify. We have multiplication. We did something like that. And of course, this also like A. I told you if you have two brackets, this has 3 terms and this has 2 terms, it is better to write the 2 brackets which has the 2 terms first. It will become something like that. 2 minus a times 4 plus 2a plus 3a squared and complete. Of course, this as a and b. All of these 3 we multiplied using the horizontal method, but here he write it in vertical method. So we have to multiply x times 4x squared gives 4x to power 3 plus x times x is equal to plus x to power 2 plus x times minus 5 is equal to minus 5x, and also plus 6 must be multiplied by the expression. So 6 multiplied by 4x squared is 24x squared. But be careful, put it here under x squared. 24x squared. Plus 6 multiplied by x is plus 6x. We write it here under x plus 6x. And plus 6 times minus 5 is minus 6 times 5 is 30. This is a multiplication. We have to make a summation. 4x to power 3. And this is the plus. X squared means 1x squared. 1 plus 24 is 25 x squared. Here we have minus 5 and plus 6. Both numbers has different signs, so we have subtraction. 6 minus 5 is 1. 6 is bigger than 5, has a plus sign, so we will take the plus sign and x. But this is plus 1x. We don't write 1. We write plus 6 only. And this is minus 30. This is the final solution. Very easy. If 2 minus y to power 3 is equal this, obtain the value of 2 minus y to power 4. Be careful. This is 2 minus y to power 4 and this is 2 minus y to power 3. Okay? This will be equal to 2 minus y to power 3 times 2 minus 4 to power 1, because in multiplication we have to add the power. This value is given as this one. So we can multiply 2 minus y multiplied by this expression. As I told you, 2 minus y to power 4 is 2 minus y to power 1 times 2 minus y to power 3. Why we did something like that? In order to substitute 2 minus y to power 3 with this expression, and we write 2 minus y times this expression. This required is equal to that one, binomial times expression. It is very easy. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 2 minus 12y is minus 24. 2 times 6y squared is plus 12y squared. 2 times minus y cubic is minus 2y to power 3. Minus y times 8 is minus 8y. Minus y times minus 12y. Minus times minus is plus 12y squared. Minus y times plus 6y squared is minus. Minus times plus is minus. Y times y squared is y cubic times 6. Minus y times minus y to power 3 is plus y to power 4, as we know. Collect the like terms together and make a summation. This will equal this expression. For number B, use a mental math to find the value of. We have 41 to power 2 in the form of 40 plus 1. We will put this in the form of 41. We will put 41 in the form of 40 plus 1. Why? Because 40 has only zeros here. And here we have the small number 1. So this will be equal 40 squared plus 40 times 1 is 40 times 2. It will be 2 times 40. And here plus 1 times plus 1 is plus 1 to power 2. Using the calculator, or we'll have 2 zeros, and 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 times 40 is 80, 1 to power 2 is 1. This equals 1681. It is very, very easy. For something like that, 49 is 50 minus 1. So it can be something like that. 49 will be 49 to power 2 is equal to 50 minus 1 to power 2. And we have to solve this. Why we don't say 49 is something like 48 plus 1? Because here we have no zero in this number. But here 50 is very easy to multiply than 48. It has zeros. Of course, here 201 is 200 plus 1 multiplied by 199. 199 is 200 minus 1 to become easy. So we can multiply this with very easy way.